What's going on, YouTube world? Got an article here from Fake News CNN, but it looks like this is real news. Fiat Chrysler to move production back from Mexico. And two things. First off, this will affect the price of silver. And the second thing is I made amends with MintBuilder.com. I'm back in the game. They gave me my code back, and at my request. So this is bullish for silver, all this manufacturing coming back, because silver has over 10,000 industrial uses. So anyways, let's go down and read the article. Chrysler Warren Truck Assembly. Fiat Chrysler Automobiles is feeling good about tax reform. Wouldn't it be? Fiat Chrysler Automobiles